issue. Sometimes we get a many error in Microsoft Office program. That time we need to do this following steps. I show you here step by step. First of all, close Microsoft Office if you have opened it and press Window plus R key together to open Runbox. Runbox will be pop up and then type here REGEDIT Regist and press enter and then click S button. Yes, then Registry editor window will be open and choose the second options HKUI current users. Click here this arrow and then go to software arrows. I click this software and go to Microsoft. Click this Microsoft arrow and this Microsoft, scroll and go to Office. You scroll and you get Office here. Yes, and then click this Office arrow. If you are using Microsoft Office 16, you get here this options 2016. If you are using another version of Microsoft like Microsoft Office 2013, 2010, 2007, 2003, 2002 or 2000s, you may get 15.0 or 14.0, 13.0 or 12.0 or 11.0 or 10.0 or 9.0 folders. If you are using 2016 versions, click this 16.0 arrow and you get here a Word folder. You right click on this Word options and then delete it. Yes, and click yes options. It's done, and close this registry windows and open your Microsoft Word. Then you get error free in your Microsoft program. Thank you.